Welcome to the Olympics Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert SPayLater balance to your GCash. It's very quick and easy. So once you go and download your GCash application and you simply log in into your account. So for me, I'm not able to verify my ID because they require a Filipino ID. So I'll just show you through some pictures. So as an example, once you logged in into your account, you'll need to enter first of all your four digit pins. And once you do so, you should find yourself an example in a place like this. So in here, you'll basically have to go and click on this bills option. You'll find it's at the top right. So this is the dashboard and click on bills. After that, you'll have to go in here and basically click on others. And you should find this at these three dots example at the bottom. So once you click on others, you should find an example, this option of my wallet, SPayLater. So once you go and click on that, they will basically ask you to enter your SPay information. Once you go and enter all of that, just go and click on save. Then you will have, of course, to enter or to confirm that you want to send this balance, and then you should be good to go. So once you enter the amount, you'll be able to see all the things there. You can just go and review it and click on confirm, and you will be able to send from SPayLater to GCash without any problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.